Hazrat Amrah, the daughter of Abdur Rahman, narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, told her, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was along with her when she heard the voice of a man who sought the permission to enter at Hazrat Hafsa's door. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he I think is so and so, Hazrat Hafsa's milk uncle. Then she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is seeking permission to enter your house. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I think he is so and so, Hafsa's milk uncle. Then Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, had he been alive, who was my milk uncle, would he have been allowed to come to me? So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. Undoubtedly, wet nursing also prohibited the ties which are prohibited by the reason of genealogy. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2646.